We're here for the WCM Instructors course, and we're here to learn about everything WCM so we can take all that information and transfer it back to the plant so we can have sustainable learnings and build our future engineers and also plant staff.
The moment I started Saint-Gobain, at Saint-Gobain it's been sort of at the top of everyone's list. It's a very renowned course and it's got a good reputation.
Well, I'm expecting it'll be probably a little bit taxing. We'll be pushed a little bit, taken out of our comfort zone.
We're taking a year's worth of information and learning that we have and cramming it into 2 weeks.
I'm hoping to have a challenging 2 weeks, make some good friends and make some good business contacts.
I'm hoping to become stronger, I'm hoping to become more assertive, understand how to influence change and how to do that successfully.
It's going to be hard work, but 2 weeks get you away from the business, gets you focused on the projects that you have to work on, and yeah, it is necessary.
A WCM instructor is actually somebody that drives change in an organization. I like to think of them as catalysts, people that can drive pace and rigor in our continuous improvement activities. But the key point is that they do it through developing capable teams. The instructor course itself, it's a 13-day residential program where the delegates come in and basically for 13 days are taught in various aspects of project management, coaching, team development, and what we're looking for is that they understand the use of the WCM tool sets, that they're able to engage teams and really drive improvement and get results. We spend a majority of our time on the shop floor using the tools, and then we do break the delegates up into teams so that you've got this team of 7 people that over 2 weeks, they typically don't know each other. They go through the whole storming, norming, performing scenario, and they gain a lot of experience just in team dynamics through there.
It's been a great learning experience, and it's been inspiration actually looking around at a lot of the other teams, the people that are involved, and all the work that's gone in.
It was like a big journey for us, for the whole team, for every member.
Yeah, it was intense. As I say, there's massive ups and downs. It was intense at times, but I think it was managed well, and I think we managed it as a team quite well.
As we inject pace and rigor, it's truly humbling what people are capable of when challenged and engaged. The main thing is to take that back to the factory and inject that pace and rigor into our daily lives.
It's really powerful to learn in that sort of environment because theory is one thing, but the actual doing it makes such a difference, and there's been some real strong key learnings for me.
The main objective that I had from this course was to take my learnings back and implement into the factory. So this course has really taught me how to do that. So of course I had the idea and the want and the will to do it, but now I understand the how and the why.